that's you and me. All day, that's us, boo. Came through with that new thing. See, I don't know why I trust you. Crazy now, I'm just too on. Maybe now I'm just too gone. Maybe now I'm just looking for that same vibe that you on. Cause I'm out here with my boys, going crazy in this bitch. Overseas, getting Benz, no Mercedes in this bitch. We made the album 9 months.
Oh, hi there. Hi. Welcome back to my channel. Guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I've been missing for a while. It's been what?
3 weeks.
It's been 3 weeks since I was away. You know, I was taking a little break from social media. I deactivated my Facebook and I've just like been, I don't know, detoxing from social media. Because sometimes, you know, it's good to take a break and just breathe and relax and, you know, take some time for yourself. And that's exactly what I did. And now I'm back with some more videos with my crazy sister. So today's video is a little interesting. You guys know I am like the queen of Starbucks. I literally drink Starbucks every single day. Don't mind my dishes in the back. She just did the dishes, so it's like all packed up there. But yeah, if you guys know, I'm like a huge fan of Starbucks and I drink Starbucks every day. I think I spend about $40 a week in Starbucks, or $45 a week in Starbucks, because I'm just addicted. It's so good. But I usually like mix my drinks up. Sometimes I get like, you know, fun stuff. I would like create my own drinks. But my absolute favorite drink is the Mango Dragonfruit Refresher from Starbucks. And that's why I'm here today, to let you guys know that you could create this drink at home with just a few simple ingredients. So I'm going to show you guys how to make this drink at home. You know, if you don't have time to go to Starbucks or wait in the line, or you simply just want to save money because you can get way more stuff making it at home and it will last you longer. That's why I'm here. So let's dive into this video. I'm going to show you guys the ingredients that I got and how this drink is made, and we're going to try it. Pimple right there. We're going to try it out. So the first thing I got was this Mango Dragonfruit juice from Publix. I got this. You can get this at Walmart also. They're $2 a, what is this box? $2 a carton. It's $2 a box, okay? I got it at Publix. It's the Welch's Mango Dragonfruit juice. Now I do know at Starbucks they put like this mango juice and then they add water to it. Or I could be wrong, but that's what I see. They actually like, do you want it made with water or do you want it made with lemonade? And I always get mine made with water. But today I'm gonna be using the Mango Dragonfruit juice. And then I got this at Publix. It's the frozen dragon fruit. I didn't find it at Walmart, unfortunately, but you can check whatever local grocery stores you have in the frozen aisle, where they have frozen fruits, to check and see if you have the frozen dragon fruit. I know Starbucks uses the dry ones, but I couldn't find the dry ones in store, so I went ahead and I got the frozen cubes of dragon fruit. And I usually put dried strawberries in mine, so I got a pack of the frozen strawberries from Publix as well. So let's go ahead and start making this drink. I have my little shaker.
You're not going to blend it?
Why would I blend it?
Okay.
You want it blended?
No, that's fine.
It's a refresher, so it has to be like a liquid. Oh. Also, shout out to my girl Colleen for sending me this shirt and making me this shirt. I'm going to leave her link below. She makes a bunch of cute crafts and shirts. Oh, hold on. I got to show y'all my pot holders. She actually made me this shirt and another shirt and some pot holders and a bottle for my birthday, and she sent them to me. You know, these are my pot holders. Wine a little, laugh a little, and bless this kitchen. And then she made me this shirt that says, "Some mom cuss too much." It's me. I'm some mom because I do cuss. Not that my kids cuss, but you know, I cuss. So shout out to Colleen. I know if I left her link on my Instagram and I left her link on my Snapchat, and a few people made some purchases. Thank you guys so much for supporting her. She's been like a really good friend of mine since I was in Florida. So make sure you check her out. She does custom shoes for just 20 bucks. So Tell her Cynthia sent you. So yeah, let's get into this video. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pour the dragon fruit juice into my cup. You wanna hold this? You're my assistant today. I'm not gonna measure because I'm from the Caribbean. We don't measure anything. We just average. So I'm just gonna pour, like, I'm gonna pour enough because it's me and you. So you can have your own. And the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add the dragon fruit pieces into it. It smells good. It does.
Smells so good.
So I'm gonna put the dragon fruit pieces in it right now. This is what it looks like. It's like square. This is exactly what it looks like in the Starbucks cup when I get it. They're all squared cubes. So I'm just gonna add like a few scoops of this in there. I'm gonna add 4, 2 for me and 2 for you.
Did you get extra?
Yes, I always get extra dragon fruit, extra dragon fruit and extra strawberries whenever I go to Starbucks, and my drink is like, it ends up being like $5.79, which isn't bad at all.
Yeah.
So, the next thing I'm gonna do is add some dried strawberries. This is very optional. I just like my refresher with a lot of fruits in it. I'm just gonna put some in there. And then I'm gonna add some ice, which I'm going to get right now. I'll be back, guys. Don't leave me. Okay, go. Where's the cup? Bitch, you all here doing a lamb fashion show while I'm trying to make a drink. The cup is somewhat full. Let's hope this doesn't like
make a mess.
Yeah. Okay. So. Bitch. Okay, so you gotta shake it really good. I feel like I'm shaking all my brains out. Let's get some music in here. Woo! Okay, so now we're gonna pour our drink into a cup. This is your cup. I actually went to Starbucks and I bought myself a reusable cup. So I have that. But then I asked, when I go to get my drink the last time, I asked them for an extra cup with the lid so I can make Stephanie a drink. So
save the turtles.
I do have my metal straws, by the way. Where are they? Do you want a metal straw?
I'm good. Wow. Good job.
Save the turtles, guys. I mean, when I'm on the road or I'm like going anywhere, of course, I don't carry around my metal straw, so I can't like save the turtles every time. They get saved sometimes. Okay, so let me take this off. Oh shit! My mom's gonna kill me when she comes home because I made a huge mess. Psych! Just kidding. I live on my own.
That's a knee slap.
No, you know, like when you do something and you're like, oh shit, I gotta clean up before my mom comes home. Like that's the moment I just had, like, oh god, I just made a mess. My mom's gonna kill me.
Right.
But psych, I have my own place, so my mom's not gonna be beating my ass today. All right, so let's pour this in a cup. I only want like half, and I'll give you half. Ooh, girl. Okay, Miss Starbucks.
Ooh. Actually, this is like the drink.
That's what it looks like. We're so cheap. We only made one, but that's what it looks like. And now we're gonna taste test it to see what it tastes like. Oh my god, that's really good.
So good.
It's like some crack in a bottle. Like it actually tastes, well, it's not exactly like, I'm not gonna lie to you guys and say, oh my god, it tastes just like the refresher from Starbucks. It has a little more flavor because it's the mango and the dragon fruit juice mixed together. So it's not gonna taste exactly like Starbucks's. But it's really, 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 really good. It's a good alternative. Like if you don't want to
I can't stop drinking it.
It's really good. You guys should definitely try it. And let me know what you guys think down below. Like,
Definitely save you some money.
definitely save you some money. And if I show you guys my fridge, hold on, I'm gonna take you out to my fridge. Like, if you go in my fridge right now, you would see, like, I have so many of these dragon fruit drinks because I intend on making my own drinks. And then I bought a few other packets of these. I have like 4 packets of the dragon fruit pulps. So I will be saving some money. I'll be saving a trip to Starbucks and some money by making my own drink at home. And yeah, this is really good.
It is.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I have a few more videos coming for you guys. I know you guys are messaging me and you're like, Cynthia, we want to see pranks, but I'm telling you guys, it's so hard to prank my sister or anybody that lives in this house because they watch YouTube and they always know what I'm up to. So it's gonna be hard to prank them, but I'm gonna try one day. I'm probably gonna do a few challenges. Oh God,
Sorry.
breath.
My breath is not too.
I'm just kidding. Shout out to my sister. If you guys are not subscribed to her channel yet, make sure you head over to her channel, Stephanie and Araya.
Oh, thank you.
But don't subscribe. Just kidding. Just kidding. So yeah, if you're a new subscriber, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys enjoy this crazy experience that we have going on here. I hope you guys stay. If I haven't gotten back to your channel yet, I did not neglect you. I've just been super busy. My daughter is sick, and I'll get back to everyone soon. Also, shout out to my mother-in-law, Latavia Richie. If you guys know our history, you know we've been like fighting on and off, and we get back together. But she actually had a really big surgery. She had her leg amputated, so just put a prayer hand down below, praying for her for a speedy recovery. I know it's not gonna be easy, but you will do just fine, and we love you. And continue watching my videos and telling all the nurses at your hospital to subscribe to our channel, because that's what she's been doing.
Aww.
So I'm like, yes, you're the real one.
That's halfway. A little bit more down. It's really the idea to have it like go out to the side. But I don't want you to slide it along. Also, you want it like this? Up a little bit, just a little bit. Up a little bit, right there, now out to the side.
So I'm gonna close this video off right now. It's Halloween, so I'm probably gonna be doing like a little pumpkin painting with the kids, and we're gonna do some stuff, and I'm gonna vlog. I'm gonna have that up for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it helped any one of you that's wanting to try the mango dragon fruit refresher that I'm always posting. Also, if you can't find this, you can go on Amazon and get the dry dragon fruit. They have it there. You can also use that instead of the frozen ones. So once again, thank you guys for tuning into my chat. You're just drinking away. You like just don't care. Thank you guys for tuning into my channel, and I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you in the next one.